One thing that I have realized in my journey is that most of the tasks that I do and you do are bullshit. 80% of the tasks that you do don't yield any real tangible results. Let me give you an example. तेरा मेन गोल है अपना बिजनेस ग्रो करना, अपने बिजनेस को सस्टेन करना, अपने बिजनेस में चीज़ों को ऑटोमेट करना सो दैट यू डोंट हैव टू स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. दिस इज योर मेन गोल. What are the two tasks that are needed to achieve this goal? To grow your business, you just need to do outreach and get clients. And to automate your business slash to reduce the amount of time you're spending on business, you need to create automation. So these are the two main tasks that you need to do. बाकी सारे tasks जो तू करता है, they are not actual work. They will not yield any good results, any direct results. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट मैं तेरे को अपना एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ बहनचोद. कुछ दिनों पहले मुझे बैठना था आउटरीच करने के लिए. आउटरीच इज़ अ पेनफुल फकिंग थिंग, राइट. लाइक मैं 2-3 घंटा अपने दिन का आउटरीच में देता हूँ नए क्लाइंट्स ढूंढने के लिए, एंड इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पेनफुल hours of my day. Like genuinely, it's fucking sucks. Same with automations. I don't work on automations. My business partner works on automations. But working on automations, dude, ये कभी ये कुछ टूट गया, वो टूट गया, भैंचोद. It's very frustrating. So मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ अपना. मैं आउटरीच करने के लिए बैठा. I was like कि भैंचोद आज आउटरीच करूँगा. And you know what I fucking did? I started changing the fonts and the color of my spreadsheets. And I called it work. I genuinely use a software जहाँ पर मैं अपना काम log करता हूँ for my accountability, and I labeled it as work. And I've been doing stuff like this, that doesn't yield any direct results for a while. Then I realized कि most of the time मैं जो दे रहा हूँ वो इन चूतिए tasks पे दे रहा हूँ जो कोई actual results मुझे दे नहीं रहे, instead of doing tasks like outreach or something. And the same thing goes with my business partner. I don't know what the fuck we were doing for the past 2 months, but we were just doing tasks that were pretty bullshit. I don't fucking know, dude. मुझे याद भी नहीं आ रहा मैंने क्या क्या बकचोदियाँ करी हैं. मैंने काम रोज करा है, but that calm didn't yield into any good results because it was not work. It was just me fucking around, calling, like staring at my laptop and calling it work. सो रियलाइज कि मोस्ट ऑफ द चीज़ें जो तू कर रहा है, तू बकचोदी पेल रहा है अपने साथ. यू डूइंग वर्क फॉर द सेक ऑफ डूइंग वर्क, एंड द थिंग इज डूइंग वर्क इज नॉट कूल. दिस हसल कल्चर शिट इज नॉट कूल. Working 12 hours every day is not cool, and it's not fucking sustainable. Yeah, I have sometimes worked 12 hours a day when I was building automations or when I was building my offer. But भाई मैं अभी इतना घंटा काम करूँगा, चूतिया दिखता हूँ मैं. मुझे अपना नेटफ्लिक्स देखना है डॉग. सो what I did was I created more time for myself, and I created more time for the activities that actually yield good business results by actually removing tasks जो मैंने देखा कि भाई ये कोई direct results नहीं दे रहे. हाँ, changing the color of your spreadsheets, yeah, it's fucking awesome. But it's not doing anything to me. Like मतलब ये कोई actual result नहीं दे रहा. Same thing is with these, oh my god, dude, these media agencies. I used to own a media agency in ninth and 10th. So I used to talk to so many media agency owners, and they would be like, new media agency owners, and they would be like, yeah, dude, I'm actually working on my website. And I would be like, अच्छा, तो clients कैसे ढूंढ रहे हैं आप? Like, oh, no, I'm not trying to find clients right now. I'm actually just creating my fucking website. And these niggas have been creating their fucking website for the past 5-6 months. Like, are you fucking dumb, dude? I mean, sorry, 5-6 months is an exaggeration, but I would say 2-3 months. This is bullshit. Instead of building a website, by the way, you don't need a fucking website. I have made all of my money without a fucking website, without a fucking credible Instagram page. Like right now, I'm trying to build a credible Instagram page because I'm trying to reach out to more high value clients. But उससे पहले, to get my first few lakhs and to earn my first few $1,000s, I never did shit like this. And when I was doing shit like this, I like मैं जब पहले ये सब बकचोदियाँ करता था, I remember मैं उस टाइम पे बहुत पैसे नहीं कमाता था. और मैं तेरे को अब भी बोल रहा हूँ, मैंने रिसेंटली रियलाइज करा है कि मैं ये बकचोदियाँ वापस से करना शुरू कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज माई रेवेन्यू इन माई बिजनेस हैज सिग्निफिकेंटली ड्रॉप्ड and I can't even tell you because I'm so fucking embarrassed and I'm creating this video out of pure rage and anger. My business revenue has dropped 75%, dude. And I've been trying to figure out what is the technical stuff that is happening जिसकी वजह से मेरे ये सब बकचोदियाँ हो रही है. But I have just came to, I've just stumbled upon this realization कि मैं ही बकचोद आदमी हूँ. मेरे मेरे बिजनेस पार्टनर ने रियलाइज करा कि हम ही बकचोद आदमी हैं. हम चूतिया चीज़ें करते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग एक्चुअल वर्क, बिकॉज द थिंग इज, डूड, एक्चुअल वर्क इज टफ. Reaching out to clients, sending emails, sending DMs, it's tough, dude. Yeah, you have an automation system for sending all this, but still finding leads, all of it, it's fucking tough. So, genuinely, reassess what the fuck you're doing every day and what you call work, and you will realize कि 80% चीज़ें यूजलेस हैं. 20% चीज़ें जो एक्चुअल रिजल्ट्स तेरे को जनरेट कर रही हैं उन पे फोकस कर, उनको ज़्यादा कर. और जो तेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा टाइम बचा, बाय रिमूविंग द डम फकिंग टास्क, यूज दैट टू वॉच नेटफ्लिक्स, डॉग. यूज दैट टू वॉच नेटफ्लिक्स. और वो क्या ही देखेगा तू. प्लीज डोंट वॉच एनिमे. Don't watch anime, seriously. You fucking dweeb. But anyway, this, I thought कि मैं 1 मिनट का वीडियो बनाऊंगा, लेकिन अभी 7 मिनट का होने वाला है. So I don't know. I don't fucking know. Small as by, नहीं, actually it's not small. बड़े तो हो गए यार पहले से. Okay, anyway यार, I'm just wasting your time now. Bye बहन, जो मेरा गला खराब हो रहा है.